What's up, everybody, guys? It's Gary from SaferWholesale.com. It's here, the red GVX, the candy apple gas golf cart utility vehicle for sale from SaferWholesale.com. This unit, we just got it here. We just got them in. We have a few left, and they're going quick, all right? So if you guys are looking to order one, please do so. You want to call in right now. Toll-free number, 866-606-3991. A lot of you guys have seen this product behind me here. I'm going to show it to you here. It's basically, it's kind of neat because it's not a gas golf cart. It's kind of a utility vehicle, but it's kind of a hybrid at the same time. So the cool thing about this item right here is it's got the nice big rims tires on it. You've got the nice full guard there right in the front. And this one's in the candy apple red. You actually have some storage under here where you can take this off right here on the left and right hand side, and then you can tighten it back down, and again you can fit your storage right under there. This will come up, and again you can put your storage on there. You've got nice LED lights on the front. Also, it has its turn signals, so it's a nice alternative to an actual gas golf cart. Why? Because it has the nice flip on it, it's got good power, it's a 4-seater, and you also have the flip here so you could turn it right into a utility bed. So again, you could pull the family around, and then you can also go do some yard work, garden work, you know, put a trailer on the back, a little sprayer on the back as well. You can even mount, you know, on the roof here, I would put, you know, a radio or something like that. Then you also have your wonderful seatbelts there as well. And if you get in the unit here, again, it's got the nice bench seat. Let's see, it's going to come with a little owner's manual here. You know, it's got all kinds of stuff in there. You can see what's going on, exactly how to change your oil. You know, the explanation on kind of everything here. So then, there you go. You've got your owner's manual there. We're just going to, you know, let that sit right there. To start her up, you're going to simply put your foot right there on the brake. Turn it. Yep. Just like you do to turn a car on. And then you also have right here, forward, neutral, and reverse. Again, forward, neutral, and reverse. Really easy to ride. And then here, we've got a nice, you've got your horn there, pretty neat. And then also your parking brake. Don't forget, you also have your mirrors, your rear view mirrors. Very, very neat. And we can also get a windshield for this as well. It's pretty cool. Again, guys, we've got a lot of different golf carts that we sell on our website, but again, you can't beat this one for the price of just under $5,000 here, right behind me. You're gonna get a pretty good machine with a lot of stuff on it. The difference between $5,000 with a golf cart, like say we were gonna go with a club car or an E-Z-GO, for instance. You go with a club car or an E-Z-GO in a gas-powered unit, you're looking at, you know, minimum anywhere from high 3s, low 4s for a reconditioned cart. And then on top of that, you gotta add all your different, you know, your rear flip seat, your radio, all these different options on it. You know, your big rims, tires, your custom seats, the whole nine. Problem is, then you're way over $5,000. Here, you've got a brand new unit, and again, we customize everything you want. If you want the club car, we've got them. If you want the E-Z-GO, we've got those too. I'm just saying, for those of you who are not using the golf cart for an actual golf cart, you're using it for, you know, basically, you know, to get around town or to use it as your, you know, vehicle to drive around, I would definitely suggest this product right here. It's really cool. Once again, you've got your rear flip seat here, and you can turn it right over, again, into a 4-seater. So, as you can see, pretty cool, real nice item here. It's called the GVX. We've got it on the website, saferwholesale.com/golf carts, and you can view all the different ones that we carry on the website. We've got this unit right here in red, black, blue. Go ahead and share the post, guys. Show your friends, show your family, you know, whoever it is. Let them know who we are, and you guys can see the different products that we sell here on our website. And just wanting to do a little video here today to show you guys the nice red one that we have in stock. Again, on the back, you also have your turn signals. Obviously, you got your rear brake lights there as well. And you got your gas-powered motor right there underneath. Shocks right there in the rear as well. And it is pretty quiet, you know, just sitting here idling. And the motor's more in the back. I know on the golf carts, obviously, they're underneath the seat, which sometimes creates a little bit more of a smell. You know, that's why I kind of am a guy of, I favorite the electric carts instead of gas, just because they're super silent. You could be on the phone if you need to be. You can, you know, if you're wearing clothes, you're going out to dinner, and again, you live in those certain towns where you can ride the golf carts all over. The gas is definitely going to smell a little bit. This one, it's nice because, again, the motor's in the back, and again, as long as you've got some need for, you know, again, gas powered, meaning you don't need electricity to charge it. This is definitely a great unit, a great option. Mile per hour gauge right there. 12 miles an hour right now. Again, we're just cruising on the grass. It's a very smooth ride here, and it's easy to ride. Again, it's simple gas and go, just like a regular utility vehicle. So it's very, very simple to ride, simple to drive. And again, as you can see here, we're going 20 miles an hour. And the nice, cool thing about this, it has a wider stance. So it's easier, it's not gonna tip as easy. The tip is gonna be pretty difficult. Here we are, guys, at saferwholesale.com. You can come visit us any day of the week here. We're open every single day of the week. We've got a lot of appliances, motorsports, lots of different products. So come again, visit us here on the daily, every single day of the week. And again, the 200cc Candy Apple Red GVX for sale from saferwholesale.com. So again, guys, you got any questions, just call us up. If you're located in the Chicagoland area, stop on by. We are open every single day of the week. We're open every single day of the week, so stop on by. Again, address here is 1333 South Schoolhouse Road. And keep in mind, you want one of these things, we can ship them right to your front door. I don't care if you live in Texas, Florida, California, whatever state you live in, it doesn't matter. I'll ship it right to your front door. So again, whether you're looking for a standard golf cart or this GVX right behind me, we can send it right to your front door, and I can send it to you on a car carrier, fully assembled, ready to go, right to your door. You don't have to do anything. It shows up. It's got gas in it. It's ready to go. Ready for the family. Very easy to ride. Have lots of fun for the entire summer. You can't beat it for the dollar. Again, $5,000 for this typically. Again, give or take a few $100. Delivered to your door, fully assembled, ready to go. So if you guys are looking for one, I suggest you guys order it now. We only have a few remaining left, okay? So after this, they are gonna be sold out, and we don't know when they're coming back. It might be a couple weeks, it might be a couple months still. So again, guys, if you're looking for a deal, if you want one, go ahead, please call us right now. Today, 866-606-3991. That's the phone number that you call to order. And again, we're here every single day, 7 days a week. And if you're looking for something for the 4th of July, this machine right here is what you want to get. Again, 3 colors, red, black, or blue. Those 3 colors that we have in stock right now, ready to ship to your door. You guys can get it right to your door, no problem. Very easy to use, lots of fun to drive, and again, no waiting. I've got them. We're assembling them all day long, every single day, so we can get them shipped to your front door, guys and gals, okay? So keep in mind, when you get this, after you receive it, you can put your own radio on it. You can also put a windshield on it. You've got your nice headrest there, and the best part about this is a nice bench seat. So again, you can fit a couple kids on there. you know, again, you go slow, you can fit, you know, a handful of kids. I've got 2 girls, you know, they'd fit easily between mom and dad. They're small, but you know, they're young. So, but again, for those of you that have full size, you know, teenagers, grown adults, kids, everyone, the whole entire family can ride this product. Easy to use, easy to ride, and it's great. Why? Because again, you've got seat belts in the back. You also have, again, your flip seat here, and you also have the seat belts. So again, you've got your seat belts. You can go ahead and lock the kids in there, no problem. You can put your utility bed on there you've got, so you can put your cooler on there, your sprayer, what have you, no problem at all whatsoever. And again, it's got real, these are not hubcaps, guys and gals, it's got disc brakes as well. So these are real alloy rims that you can see right there. Check it out. It's a 200cc motor. It's got just enough power. Now, this is not gonna be, guys and gals, this unit right here, just so you know, this is not a UTV that, you know, it's got 700, 800cc, 1000cc's of power. If you're looking for something more powerful, we do sell those. That's very important. This is more like I said, a golf cart, and that's why we kind of classified as a golf cart for that specific and particular reason, right? So again, you look at it, you see it, it's a nice big machine, and actually a golf cart is 4 feet wide by 8 feet long. Now that excludes if you have the flip seat on it. This one's going to be about 5 feet, but you're looking at roughly about 9.5 feet long or so with the rear flip on the bed. So again, just say 5 feet wide by 10 feet long instead of about 4 by 8. So again, this is a little bit bigger. You could fit more people on it. You can fit the little kids on it, you know, no problem. The whole family. You've got the seat belts. You've got turn signals on it. Let me show you that. So again, you've got your parking brake right there. Again, your horn, and a lot of you are concerned about your, you know, your turn signals. You've got your different, you know, your lights on, lights off. You got high beam, low beam. You got your turn signals right there as well. So again, a lot of different options that, again, as far as then you got neutral as well right here, and then reverse. So it's got reverse and it makes noise just like a regular golf cart. So again, easy to ride, easy to drive, real nice machine. And again, for, like we said, you're looking at right at the $5,000 range, delivered to your door. Whether you live in Texas, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Illinois, Michigan, New York, any state out there, we can deliver. We can deliver any day that ends in Y. That's right. We deliver even on Sunday, okay? So, again, whether you guys are looking for the UTVs, golf carts, the go-karts, come on by, stop on by today and check this machine out. Like I said, if you're in the Chicagoland area, come on by. Big deals going on right now on this product here. Again, the 200cc GVX 4-seater UTV golf cart utility vehicle for sale. Again, easy to ride, easy to drive. You guys can get yours today. Again, for just under $5,000, fully delivered, fully assembled, right to your front door. Drive around the entire family. Girls, boys, everyone, right? Or, if you're looking for a standard golf cart, now again, you guys think it's a little shaky right now. No, this thing, I'm driving on some little bit rough terrain here. And it drives me around, no problem. Toss a couple kids on here, your family members. Easy. Oh, by the way, we also finance. So guys and gals, if you need to finance, no problem. You can give us a call. We can send you a quick finance application. You can get this thing financed, no problem, all right? So again, easy to finance, very simple to do, very simple to ship all over the entire USA. So again, you need to finance it as little as $400 down. Actually, if you have really good credit, $0 down. okay? Not even 1 penny do you need down to take this bad boy home today. So if you're in the Chicago area, or you live, you know, in the entire USA, I don't care if you live in, like I said, Texas, Florida, Georgia, Wisconsin, any state, we can finance it for you. Just give us a ring. We can send you a quick application, get you all set up, get one shipped right out to you, and before 4th of July, you can have one of these bad boys delivered right to your house, and you could be driving around, no problem. So again, you're looking for fun, you're looking for, you know, a nice product, a nice item, a nice golf cart, a nice UTV to drive around this season, this whole entire summer. You know, we're in the Chicagoland area. It's been pretty crappy weather around here lately, but you know, it's starting to warm up right about now. So again, you guys looking for it? Give me a ring. We're here. We're open all day long, every single day of the week. Candy apple red. Again, we've got them in red, black, and blue. Again, red, black, and blue we have in stock right now, ready to ship to your front door. So if you want to stop on by, we're here. Again, 866-606-3991. That's the number that you call. You pick up the phone and you call us right now, and we'll answer any questions that you guys have, guys and gals. Also, if you want a regular golf cart, you visit saferwholesale.com/golf carts, okay? And we can ship a regular golf cart to your front door as well. Club cart, easy go, the whole nine. So, guys, check it out. We want to say thank you guys so much for watching our sweet little video here today on the red Candy Apple GVX 200cc 4-seater 2x4. That's 2-wheel drive, guys and gals. This is not a 4-wheel drive unit. Some of you guys think that it's a, you know, a 4-wheel drive. No, we do have a 4-wheel drive version of this. It's a little bit more money. It's same size frame. It's basically like, you know, the four-cylinder version of a Mustang that they used to make, or the 6, you know, and the 8. It's all in the same vehicle, same frame, bigger motor. They'll also put 4x4 in it as well for you. So again, if you guys have any questions on the bigger UTVs that we sell, again, pick up the phone, the number to call. That's toll free. We'll even pay for that phone call. It's 866-606-3991. You call us right now, all right? You call us right now, and we'll give you guys a great deal, all right? Like I said, all you got to do is ask for one of us in the sales department. You call up the toll-free number, press number 1 for sales. Again, if you guys are looking for any type of customer service support, all that stuff, we've got that as well. You simply call and ask for the parts department, for the tech support. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you have any other questions, give us a holler. We're here every single day of the week. Toll free, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. We'll talk real soon. Thank you so much. Have a great, wonderful rest of your day.